Hello traders, we are banking amazing profit. As you have seen in my previous analysis, we've been short and bank amazing profit. Now we had a beautiful long trade on pound yen. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. If you look at the 4-hour chart as mentioned in my previous analysis, so we had this short trade here, and as explained in my previous analysis, let's see here if the market is going to respect this level. So we're expecting a long trade here. So we already had this long trade here. Most of the traders are really enjoying it. Let's see here if the market is gonna break, then I'm expecting a huge. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit and help my traders. You can see here in my previous analysis, we had this short trade here. We just did this analysis at the New York session, and it's pretty straightforward based on the 4-hour bias. As explained, if the market is going to respect, then let the market break this level, then short. Otherwise, let the market break, and you can see a market broken and retest without the changing the color of candlestick pattern. Beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the around to the previous high, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As you have seen how we analyze the market in 4-hour and refine entries and exit in intraday and banking profit every single day. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day guys.